Flu season is here, but before you reach for medication, let's talk about two natural remedies that can help: cayenne pepper and cinnamon. These common spices pack powerful benefits to boost your immunity and keep you feeling your best. Cayenne pepper isn't just about adding heat to your food, it's a natural remedy for cold and flu symptoms. Its active ingredient, capsaicin, can help clear nasal congestion, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. Plus, it gives your immune system a healthy boost. Try this simple remedy. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to warm water, a squeeze of lemon, and a drizzle of honey. This drink soothes sore throats and helps clear up sinus pressure. Cinnamon isn't just for desserts. It's a natural flu fighter with antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. These help your body combat infection and reduce inflammation. Make a simple cinnamon tea by simmering a stick of cinnamon in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a bit of honey for extra soothing effects. It's delicious and help calm flu symptoms. Want an extra kick? Combine these two spices for an immune boosting powerhouse. The warmth of cayenne and the sweetness of cinnamon work together to fight all flu symptoms naturally. Cayenne pepper and cinnamon are simple, affordable, and effective ways to protect yourself during flu season. Give them a try and let nature take care of the rest. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthy, flu free season.